Welcome back to Must See Tech. Let's say you really want to become a part of the camper life movement, but wouldn't want to spend a bunch of money on an RV, wouldn't want a trailer occupying space in your garage, and much rather would prefer to own an affordable camping van or convert your current vehicle into one. In today's episode, we will show you the cheapest van models on the market, as well as demonstrate convenient camper boxes and kits that can turn nearly any motorized thing with a fifth door into a vacation vehicle. By the way, not to miss any of the upcoming episodes, we do recommend subscribing to our channel. Let's roll! Nest by egoé. The egoé is a Czech company founded in 2006, and it specializes in design, development, and production of outdoor furniture. In 2016, they brought a new product to the market designed solely for the car camping enthusiasts. The Nestbox is an easy-to-install luggage compartment that transforms your car into a perfect holiday partner within 5 minutes. This camping box includes a main body with a cooker, sink, fridge, 2 smaller drawers, and a textile body. It comes in 3 styles, varying in cost and implementation, and one of them is even off-road ready. The Nest could be equipped on Ford, Volkswagen, Renault, Peugeot, and Citroën cars and MPVs. Sipras Camping Box. Boxx is a portable camping solution that could be installed on any midsize vehicle with a hatch in the back, be it a crossover, SUV, MPV, or a van. It is manufactured by the family-owned company Sipras, located in Slovenia, that has operated for more than 20 years. The bed mattress could be installed on the special poles to take advantage of the whole interior area of the vehicle, and though not very orthopedic, it can still guarantee you a decent sleepover. The box amenities that could be accessed from the rear of the vehicle count an extendable sink and a gas stove, compact fridge, and storage compartments. Karmann Davis 620. Karmann Mobile has been manufacturing motorhomes since 1977, and without any note of humility, they claim that regardless of the model or features you choose from their lineup, you will be getting versatility and everyday practicality with comfortable and high-quality fittings. When it comes to the first-class features, their Davis 620 campervan based on the Fiat Ducato platform leaves nothing else to be desired. Sleeping quarters come in either twin or separate bed layouts, kitchenette is compact but self-sufficient, and fully enclosed washroom tops off the convenience package. Besides the Davis van, Karmann has many more camper configurations, which are all fairly priced within $50,000. Boxx Santa Cruz. If you already own a VW Transporter T5 or T6 van models, then you're in luck. There is no need for you to spend a bunch of money to own a camper. You can easily upgrade your vehicle with a Santa Cruz Boxx manufactured by the Munich-based company of the same name. Their ready-made modules require only installation of sliding rails on the floor of the van. Among the available units are a 36-liter fridge, tabletop kitchenette, and a burning gas stove with additional cabinets. The cost of separate appliances starts at $1,700, but it is more economical to go for the full package that is priced at around $4,800. Recon Campers. The conversion platform of choice for Recon Campers is a Nissan NV200 compact MPV. The company has options for any wallet size, starting from the bare minimum upgrade of the rear bench into a comfortable sleeper and going up to the highest out of 5 trims called Envy. That includes pop-top upper bed, fridge, sink, 10-gallon fresh water tank, water heater for the outdoor shower, table, and lots of additional storage compartments. This camper is rather high-tech, being controlled by a 7-inch LCD touchscreen, and the pricing varies between $22,000 if you're converting your own Nissan or $42,000 for the full package. If van life is your blood and soul, make sure to check out other episodes suggested in the information boxes after this one. Our selection is rather extensive. Let's continue. Hillside Leisure VW Transporter. Volkswagen is known in the camping community for their factory-made California campervans. However, if customization is something that you're after, then you should be seeking custom conversions which are based on VW Transporter vans. One of the most experienced converters of this model is the UK-based Hillside Leisure that carry both affordable and premium models under Birchwood and Cromford designations. It is hard to believe, but the company manages to squeeze into the compact van unimaginable amount of comfort amenities, including a sink, a toilet, an outside shower, a galley-style kitchen, pop-up roof bed with skylight, and a large fridge. Southern Spirit Renault Traffic. The Australian auto market is known for higher prices, so very often drivers have to give up more expensive brands and look into the direction of affordable models. The same strategy was acquired by Southern Spirit Campervans company, who chose Renault Traffic as their base van for camper conversions. During the day, this compact RV can carry up to 5 people and comfortably sleep 4 at night, 2 on the rightmost seat from the Vario range, which transforms into a queen-size bed, and 2 more under the pop-up roof. Other camper features are quite usual: full set of kitchen appliances, foldable table and swiveling seats, storage compartments, and an outdoor shower. Off-grid adventure van. Off-Grid Adventure Vans, or simply egoé Vans, is a Maryland company that focuses on producing the most affordable camping solutions. Their builds could be based on nearly any vehicle of customer's choice, however, they mostly specialize on the Ram ProMaster conversions. The actual remodeling cost varies between $26 and $30 grand, however, if the base vehicle is not provided, you're looking at $52,000 out of your pocket. The longer wheelbase of the ProMaster 159 allows for the installation of the wet bathroom, while the shorter one constrains you to use the portable toilet. egoé Vans get an 80-liter fridge, 28-gallon freshwater tank, and a whole spectrum of appliances usually found in a camper van, but they're all produced from more basic materials to keep the costs down. Glad that we managed to keep your attention to the very end. If you liked our format, check out other episodes suggested on the screen and subscribe. Tell us which of the entries you like the most and whether they could be called affordable. See you next time!